please don't go. Another song guys, another tutorial. The song is from Rex Orange Country and the title of the song is The Shade. This is our simple version of how to play this song, string pattern and chords. And for my Filipino viewers, sa mga naghanap ng manipis na string guys, sa mga Pinoy na viewers natin, manipis na string at pampakinis ng fretboard, lemon oil, check lang ang mga link ng Shopee link sa description ng video na ito. Manipis na string, hindi masakit sa kamay, pang practice, at pampakinis ng fretboard, lemon oils. Start chords, string pattern. Simple version, this are simple string pattern, down, up, up, okay, down, up, down, up, down, up, please don't go, okay. All we need to do is the right timing natin guys, timing down, up, down. I was closing all the door, down, up, okay, down, up. That is our string pattern. Timing. Let's proceed for the chords. Verses muna, intro at verses. So intro, 2 chords only for the intro. B major 7 or B flat. If it is hard for you to use this kind of chord, use a B flat, a whole B flat, okay? Pero kung kaya na, mag B major 7, okay? B major, first chord, then F. Okay, so 2 chords for the intro. Twice kung di ako nagkakamali. And then verse tayo. Verses, we have 4 lines. The first 2 lines is B major 7 or B flat and F. So let's play. I was on that second line, and for the third line, merong pagbabago, little changes. At first, so D minor, C, D flat at C, and then the last line or fourth line, D minor again, then C, then a broken chord, B minor 7. So 3 strings only, tatlo lang. Okay, ang ibang string ay nakamute. Itong tatlo lang, 3 strings only. So let's play the verses, 4 lines. First line. I was closing on the door, The second line, Then third line, C, then B flat, then C, then last line, Okay, gets? That is for the verse B minor 7 if I'm not mistaken. Then for the chorus part, fit those chords, 2 chords. Okay, B and F, just like the first and second line of the verses. Okay, please don't go. Okay, repeat these 2 chords. Okay. Please don't go. Okay, so that's all guys, and for the outro, repeat these 2 chords. Okay, major 7, B flat major 7 and F. Okay, repeat these 2 chords for the outro. So that's all guys. Ito na simple version natin of how to play this song. At ulit sa mga naghanap ng manipis na string at lemon oil pampakinis ng fretboard, check lang ang link sa description ng video na ito. Dito muna tutorials sa mga next na uploads. Please don't go.